It's tea o'clock and I made this delicious Hausa cookies called greba that I paired with this goruba tea. These cookies are so simple and easy to make. You can just whip it up in 30 minutes and I promise it is so delicious. You have to make it. In a bowl, add 1.5 cup of flour, half cup of blended sugar, or you can use icing sugar if that is what you prefer. Half cup of powdered milk, then add half cup of melted butter. You can actually use oil, but I prefer to use butter because it's give it that rich taste. So for mine, I added quarter cup of designated coconut because I want that coconutty flavor in there, and I added coconut flavor instead of vanilla. So you can actually skip this and just add vanilla flavor. I think that is the recipe, but I decided to twist mine. So after then, mix everything together until you have that breadcrumbs consistency. Then just get a mold where you would like to shape your greba. Add sesame seed and then add the greba mixture in there. Make sure you press it down so that it's hold its body. If not, it's going to scatter in the oven. So for the rest, I use coconut as the topping. And then I just throw everything in the oven and bake for at least 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Make sure you bake it on a low heat. This is exactly how you press it, as you can see in the video. Drop it gently so that it will not scatter. And this is how it looked like before baking. And this is how it's looked like after baking. This is so delicious. Please make sure you try this greba. In a pot, add a generous amount of water. Then add in your spices of choice. I used cinnamon sticks, star anise, cloves, and cardamom. You can use ginger. I don't have ginger at the moment, so I use what I have. I then add goruba, sugar. Some use tea bag, but I don't. I just want the taste of that goruba in my tea. Then just cover it and let it boil until the water has reduces. At this point, your kitchen is filled with this delicious aroma. Then just get your tea pot, sieve, serve, and enjoy. I serve mine with mint leaves and it is so delicious. And like I said earlier, this tea has tons of health benefit. If you take this tea a lot, your body is going to thank you. And that is it. Your goruba tea is ready. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and follow for more amazing recipes. Bye.